And we're back to learn CapCut in year day 16. Let me show you how you can crop videos. Already shown you we can set the ratio down here and then use the scaling. But there's also a different function that we can use to get the same basically done. Let me reset it to original 100% scale, and here's the crop tool. When you left click on it, a new menu will pop up, and you can just left click drag to resize that freely, but only because it's set to free. You can also pick default ratios, for example 16:9, or this older TV format 4:3. And you reposition this window. You can also reset it to the original. Here the slider is for the video timing. So we have a 20-second clip and we can move through that. And to the left is rotation function. It's 360 degrees. We don't need it in this case, so let me reset it to 0. Once you've got it cropped, just confirm. You still have to use the ratio down here though to get rid of the black bars. We've used 4:3, so let me set it to 4:3, and you can see it basically scales it up too. One more thing to add though, on the right it still says scale 100%, but obviously it has made it a little bit bigger, you could say, and therefore you're gonna lose a little bit of sharpness due to the resolution. So if you've cropped it and then you've used a different ratio, this would still do the same that the scaling does, and therefore your videos are gonna get a little bit blurry, a little bit unsharp. But this is how the cropping works in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.